Good morning. Happy Ugadi. About Ugadi, I will discuss later on. Now, important case which will help you if you are indulging in political activities or taking part as a prominent or one among the cadre of any political party. And also, some cases when some organizations were running uh, some hostels under the name and style of some society or trust, and that is being disturbed by opposite parties, and so many things is happening when the police entering into a search. If they obstruct, the police may register FIR under section 186 IPC. So ready with 353 IPC. So for all these things, you can very well use this judgment to quash the complaint because of this recent judgment AR 2025 Supreme Court 759, AR 2025 Supreme Court 759, B and John versus State of UP and other, B and John versus State of UP and other. Here the police straight away filed final report under 186 IPC, and the court read with 353 IPC, and the court also taken cognizance and issued summons. When the High Court was approached, the High Court was also not inclined to quash the proceedings, but the Supreme Court has held the following ratio. Number one, that subsequently the police made an attempt to claim that they have addressed a letter to executive magistrate. But under section 195 1 CRPC, which bars that the complaint under sections, the offences punishable under section 177 to 172 to 188 IPC, there should be a specific complaint by the public servant to the judicial magistrate. Therefore, the Supreme Court has discussed that executive magistrate may not be a magistrate as defined under 2D CRPC. Then another important case was the FIR only speaks about disturbances. Disturbances may not be an assault or criminal force unless and until there is a specific act attributed to such a disturbance. See, normally, colloquially we used to say, he assaulted me. See, that assault is totally different from assault defined under Indian Penal Code. That is, only assault means threatening to hit or threatening to be beaten. That is, criminal force means raising the hand. If anything attempted was success, then the question of hurt would arise. So that you may be. Therefore, the Supreme Court has quashed the complaint, stating that the FIR did not contain necessary allegation to take cognizance of offence on 353 IPC and also 186 IPC. So, multi-number of agitation cases are coming within the purview of the judgment. You all know that regularly the courts are quashing the complaints, and that you take down AR 2025 Supreme Court 759, B and John State of UP. So far Ugadi is concerned, you see our Tamil New Year begins April 14th, Chittirai. But Telugu New Year is coming from different date. That means today, Ugadi. This is because our Indian Standard Time is calculated at 82.2 degree latitude, and therefore Pakistan time is different from Indian time. This is way this calendars also being calculated by this almanac experts. So this Ugadi, because Andhra Pradesh is little bit far away from Tamil Nadu, Chennai probably with very near to 82.5 degree of latitude, which is near to Kolkata, because Kolkata was the capital of British people when this longitude and latitude were uh, designed. Then the two important occasions is said to have been occurred mythologically. Number one, that this day Rama reached Ayodhya along with Sita after gaining win over Ravana. Number one. Number two, this day was also celebrated because Dharma, Pandava's Dharma was coronated this day. These two important days are being celebrated on Ugadi days. Happy Ugadi Day. Best wishes.